Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the goal and capturing footage that serves that goal. Decide whether you need emotion, a quick tip, or a CTA, and keep your story to 5 15-second segments. Once decided, set your camera to the correct frame, vertical for stories or 16:9 for cross-posting, at 1080 x 1920 for crisp results. Make sure to stabilize the shot, use natural light when possible, and record clean audio. This saves time during editing and makes your message clear. You now assemble the clips into a coherent arc, beginning, middle, and end. Trim aggressively so each moment earns screen time. Aim for clips under 7 seconds to maintain momentum. Then layer captions and stickers for emphasis and apply a consistent color grade to reinforce your brand. Make sure audio levels are balanced between speech and music, and duck music where needed. Once satisfied, export using H.264 MP4 with a 4.6 Mbps bitrate, so your video uploads quickly while preserving quality. You're ready to publish. Open the Facebook app, choose Stories or Create Story, and add your final caption, stickers, and a CTA link if your account qualifies. Preview the story to confirm aspect ratio, readable captions, and proper autoplay behavior. Once posted, monitor engagement for immediate tweaks. If you encounter upload errors, retry on a stable Wi-Fi connection, clear the app cache, or re-export at a lower bitrate. 3 to 4 Mbps often resolves issues without visible quality loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.